I've got 3 words for you. Desk setup videos. Even more desk setups. More desk setups. All of the desk setups ever. Dog, one of the biggest rabbit holes I find myself going down on YouTube is ill-ass videos of desk setups. Why do people care so much about desk setups? Let me tell you. Desk setups are a sense of pride for a creator. They are a depiction of our determination and commitment to the game, a representation of our organization, accuracy, and ability to execute, a mere image of who we are as creators and innovators in this world that has no bounds. And low-key, they're a fucking flex to post on Instagram. To be honest, I think that I like watching these videos on YouTube because I want to do better. I mean, this angle right now of me is pretty fire, but if I were to flip the camera around and you could see my desk setup right now, you would understand that my life is a goddamn mess. Tangled cables, mail, ibuprofen bottle, random ass hard drives, chapstick, dusty ass PC, more cables, more hard drives. Months go by and I don't even recognize this disgusting mess that I have around me every single day. But I was on Instagram the other day and I was scrolling through my feed and I saw my homie Ty Rogers post this video that made me reevaluate my entire life. Sheesh. 4 things that stuck out to me on that video. 1, desk setup is a vibe. 2, loop game strong as hell. 3, I don't know if you noticed it, but he threw some Emmys on the desk. Flex! And number 4, I noticed that I need to get my life together. So as a way to motivate myself, I decided to present a challenge to the Black with No Cream community to see who else had an ill desk setup. Hopefully this will kick my ass into gear here at the Black with No Cream headquarters to make my desk look way better than it does right now. And in return for the motivation, I'm gonna give a free Black with No Cream coffee mug to whoever has the illest setup, which will require a vote from all of you watching. So drop a comment with who you think deserves a mug. Big shout out to the Black with No Cream community for coming strong with the submissions. We had a ton of submissions, so we narrowed it down to 10. I'm gonna list them in no particular order and probably botch all of your guys' names. Starting off, we have John Mahalik. Fire setup here. Everything seems to be color coordinated, which is very nice. And I'm wondering if you're using, is that a small HD monitor down there by your arm? Is that for color accuracy? Genius move. This is a solid setup. I like how he has a position, and even having the monitor above the top of your 2 monitors is great for when you have clients. If you have like a couch or something, clients can sit up there. So yeah, that's a wavy pick right here. Next up, look at Andrew's desk view, the over the city vibes. I like that. I like the plants too. I feel like that's something I could work into my daily life. I haven't gotten a plant in the office yet, but definitely could utilize some plants for, you know, just the aroma or whatever people like. But yeah, this is nice. The glass setup, this is cool. Looks really clean. Next, PASHA's desk setup looking clean with the color matching, even to the point of making the desktop background match the colors of the back wall. That's fire. I like the neon peace sign. That's dope. Looks like you got a beefy ass PC over there in the corner on the right. Even your chair looks mad comfortable. I've always been curious to know if people really like the extended monitors. I feel like that screen real estate is super clutch. So if you have any experience, leave us a comment below and let us know if you prefer it over like double monitors or triple monitors. But yeah, this is nice. Next up, we have Matt, a very minimalist desk here. He's even got a nice little old Nikon sitting there on the desk. Coffee mug, which should be a Black with No Cream mug, maybe if you guys vote for him. But I like this. The monitor coming with just one arm sticking out looks super clean. I love that there's no cables hanging. I feel like you're cheating though, because you got the Rode mic over here and there's no cable coming out of it. So yes, it does look minimalistic, but this is just a prop. But if you were really using this mic, you know, all the time, we're gonna see a cable there, so all right. Next up, we have Joel with a mint looking setup here. Very nice. I like that you have the little webcam setup here. You have, it looks like maybe your colorist. I'm wondering why the speaker setup. Why is there a speaker at the top here and then the one at the right side? Do you have a third one? I'm curious to know, but I do like this, and I love like the low lit backdrop on the wall. The blue and the white, it's not like overly exhausted, but it's still nice with the gray. Oh shit, and we have a back-to-back submission from Joel. He's showing me the actual angle I was curious about. He does in fact have 3 microphones. That is nice. He is a colorist. Look at this little setup for his coloring sessions right here. He's got the OG phone. You must work for a post house, I'm assuming, that people actually use that shit. Yeah, this setup's really dope. Next up, we got Cadaver Photography. We're looking at a nice simple setup here. We got the whiteboard, the iMac, chilling. Got the little table lamp thing. And you have nice accents too, which sets the vibe and makes you feel like, you know, being creative by having the lens and the GoPro and the jobby tripod thing and the Do Epic shit. I see the Do Epic shit all the time. Is that Gary Vee or something? See that book everywhere. But yeah, this is a dope, simple setup. Next up, I'm not even gonna try to say your name. I'm just gonna botch it, so I'll put your name right here. Hello Awards. Flex! God damn. What did you win? I like this though. You got the little teamwork vibe setup. 2 desks set up, the iMac, you got the OG Mac Pro Tower, which I still have in Iowa. I love that computer. Yeah, this is super fire. What do you do? Next up, we have our boy Ian Dialoni. He's designed a ton of shit for Black with No Cream. Shout out to Ian. Chilling with the simple setup. He's got his laptop lifted up, which is, you know, always clutch when you're sitting at a desk forever, so your neck's not always like, you know, I hate that shit. And the second arm coming out, holding us another monitor. Which is funny, is this that little like arm piece that's supposed to hook to the base and you can't figure out how to take it off? Because I have that same shit sitting right here on my monitor and I just left it, which is hilarious. But yeah, this is a nice simple setup for the crib. Next up, we have McFly made it with the all white. Definitely a musician. He's got the iMac set up. He's got the speaker system, the whole white. The white shit is just, that's just tight. And lastly, we have RMT Shoots. Is this a PC? Is this an open-faced PC? Why am I saying PC like that? PC? PC. Is this an open-faced PC? Shit looks tight. Colors look tight. Again, simple setup. He's got the nice studio speakers that's gonna give you that mint sound and one big ass monitor. What more could you ask for? Yo, drop a comment and let us know which person you think deserves this Black with No Cream coffee mug. We're gonna give it out in 30 days. We'll let this run for 30 days. We'll tally up all the comments. And if you feel left out and you want a Black with No Cream mug, you can go get yourself one at shopbwnc.com. But to be honest, I'm really happy that we did this challenge. Seeing all these desk setups really motivated me. So much so that I've decided to do a home makeover desk setup right here, right now. Nah,